Әмсі балла, мұшу текст қараңла. Мұшу біз текстіні бір өгініп шықсақ. Хош, авал әмсі мұшыненке бір қысқығына картон фильміні көріп әткендеке башылсақ. Listen carefully.
Lesson 43. Hurry up. Listen to the tape, then answer this question. How do you know Sam doesn't make the tea very often?
Can you make the tea, Sam?
Yes, of course I can, Penny. Is there any water in this kettle?
Yes, there is.
Where's the tea?
It's over there, behind the teapot. Can you see it?
I can see the teapot, but I can't see the tea.
There it is. It's in front of you.
Ah, yes. I can see it now. Where are the cups?
There are some in the cupboard. Can you find them?
Yes, here they are.
Hurry up, Sam. The kettle's boiling.
Okay, and if you finish, let's get the ball rolling. Okay, I'm setting so much up with this. And the birinci cümlesini nerede yazsanlar? Can you make the tea, Sam? Okay. Can you make the tea, Sam? Alright. And the müşerike make the tea deganimiz çay demlemek. Can you make the tea, Sam? Siz çay demleyelemsiz, Sam? Okay. And the can you make coffee bo'lsa, make coffee deganimiz qahva demlemek. Okay. I can make water deb qo'ysa savodashdan bor, make water. And bu make water deganda bu çay demlesh olmasdan balki nima kichik tarat qilmoq degan gap. Hargiz can you make the water demaymiz, Voy kichik tarat qila olamsiz demaymiz-ku buni. Shunga make tea, çay demlemek, make coffee, qahva demlemek degandek. Okay. So can you make the tea, Sam? Voy çay demlay olamsiz, Sam desa. Of course I can, Penny. Deydi. Albatta. Demlay olayman, Penny. Ajib so'rabdi. Demlay olaydigan odamlar qanaqa qilmaydi desanglar, siz choy demlay olamsiz demaydi, shunami? Yes, of course I can, Penny. Albatta demlay olayman. So is there any tea in this kettle? Hamda bu chaynakda ozroq suv bormi? Okay, endi men savol jumlaga kelgandim. Is there? Aslida there be shaklini oldingi darslarimiz o'rgangan, bor degan gap bor unda. Demakki there is some tea in the kettle and the chaynakda ozroq choy bor. And the chaynakda ozroq choy bormi demakchi bo'lsak, shu BP'dan oldiga o'tib ketdik. Demak, is there any tea in the kettle? Yoki any tea in this kettle? And the mishariki any. Alright. Any deganimiz hamda ma'o savol jumlalar bilan inkor jumlalari. Any keladi. Masalan, bo'lishliq jumlalar cho'lsanglar some. Some kelgan gap. Is there any tea in this kettle? Desa, yes there is. Javob bergan yes, bor. Demak, there is some water in the kettle. Hamda mishariki some bo'lishliq jumlalar. Hamda men birinchi jumlada some water degan tilga ilinib qoldi. Shunam water hamda shunaki ikkinchisi qisqarib yes there is deganlar bo'lib qoldi. Yes, there is. So where is the tea? Voy amsa choy qayerda? Where is the tea? It's over there. And over degan pistira degan gap. Over there. Demak, oh yerda. Biz Uyg'ur tilida oh yerda deb ko'rsamizmi? Shuni over there deymiz. Demakki it's over there. It's over there. Over. Endi men on o'qigan bo'lsam, masalan birisidan o'stirmada tegishib turgan bo'lsa on, mana nima over. Shunami? Bo'shliq bor. Behind the teapot. Behind degani abay o'rgandoq nima keyinida. Ana behind the teapot bo'lsa, chaynakning keyinida. Ham choy qaynatgan chaynak keyinida bo'lsa, behind the kettle. Behind the kettle. Can you see it? Can you see it? Ko'ra oladingizmi? Desa, I can see the teapot, but I can't see the tea. Men choy chaynakini ko'ra oldim, biroq choyni ko'ra olmadim. I can see the teapot, but I can't see the tea. Hamsi men seriq mashinani ko'ra oladim, lekin qizilini ko'rolmadim. Buni nima deymiz? I can see the yellow car, but I can't see the red. The red. Aldık bu şu article the'ni aldık shunami? Demek hamda the red degan shu qizili. Haqiqiy shu qizil mashinani ko'rsatdi. Tushundingmi? I can see the yellow car, but I can't see the red one desam ham bo'ladi. A red one. And the carni ikkinchi ishlatishga bo'lmaydi. Hali men nima ko'radim, lekin biraqani ko'rolmadim. There it is. Oy mana, shunami? Oy mana qo'y deb ko'rsatib qo'yibdi, shunami? There it is. Demak, it's there. Oy, u bo'lsa oyadi. Demakchi, shu oyadi deb, mana qo'y. There it is. It's in front of you. Oy, u sizning oldingizda. And we are in front of you, bilan in front of in the front of na o'xshamaydi, shunami? In front of degan ma'lum bir narsaning oldir bo'lsa, in front of bo'ladi. In the front of degan ma'lum narsaning ichining oldir bo'lsa. Alayloq. Masalan, bir odam avtobusning oldida turgan bo'lsa, mana in front of the bus deymiz. Agar avtobusning ustiga chiqib oldir o'tgan bo'lsa, shofirning o'rnida o'tgan bo'lsa, nima? In the front of. Misha front degan o'rniga the article the-ni qanday qilamiz? Qatimiz. Demak shunga in the front of. Okay, in the front of you. Oh, yes, I can see it now. Oh, to'g'ri, endi ko'ra oldim. I can see it now. Where are the cups? Wait. Qana bu stakanlar, shunami? Where are the cups? There are some in the cupboard. Hamda mau chinaqach ishkavning ichida azroq nima deydi? Azroq bor. There are some in the cupboard. There are some in the cupboard. Can you find them? Voy topaladingizmi? Can you find them? Yes. Here they are. Mana ular deb tashlama. Hurry up, Sam. Chaqqaroq bo'ling, Sam. The kettle is boiling. Bu chaynak qaynab ketdi. Demak, the kettle is nima? Boiling. Hurry up, Sam. The kettle is boiling. Bu chaynak qaynab ketdi.